bonjour ni Janishanabe Dug. Bonjour Gakina. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Buju Nana Buju, the podcast all about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Buju, and today our Ojibwe phrase of the day, Ni manendam. Ni manendam, I'm sorry. And you kids, if I can give you a little bit of advice, let's call this the Anishinaabe words of wisdom. Nema nendam, saying I'm sorry. Saying I'm sorry when you're in the wrong and you want to make it right. Saying Nema nendam is a very powerful thing. You know, it can if you're having trouble with your friends or whatnot, and you know you were in the wrong, you go up there and you say, "Hey, Nema nendam niji, I'm sorry, my brother," and then you just leave it at that. You don't go up and say, "Hey, I'm sorry, but you're partly to blame too." Hey, now you don't say that. You say, "Hey, I'm sorry. I was really out of line there." You know, Nima Nendam. Let's be friends again. Okay, so that's the Ojibwe word of the day and the Anishinaabe moment of wisdom or something. All right. Well, so so this next song is kind of an apology. It's a really sad song, and it's called One Word I Said. All right.
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow, and for all we know, well, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What have we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we are so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. I never meant one word, I never meant one word.